Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're gonna make mango coconut popsicles. So I love these silicone popsicle molds from Amazon, and today we're just gonna use, we've got frozen mango chunks, mango nectar, I've got Coco Lopez cream of coconut, and sweetened coconut.
Please subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel so we can bring you more videos. Thank you.
So I've got our 12-ounce bag of frozen mango chunks in here, and to it we're going to add our 15-ounce can of Coco Lopez cream of coconut. And to this we're going to add 2 cups of our mango juice and a half a cup of coconut flakes, or 2 ounces. And then we're gonna pulse it and puree, make a smoothie out of it, and make sure it tastes good before we put it into our mold. All right, nice and smooth. Let's check it out. Ooh, that looks gorgeous. I'm gonna let it run a little bit longer. I wanna make sure all that coconut's really finely chopped. All right, so here we have our pureed coconut and mango, and this is our wonderful mold, silicone mold that we got. And we're just gonna pour it in almost to the top, give a little space. Next one. I love these molds because it's so easy to unmold when you're finished making it. We're gonna put on the lid, just make sure it's snapped into place, and then, easy peasy, put your popsicle stick molds right into the center, straight down, and then in the freezer. Now these take about 4 hours to freeze solidly. So, or even overnight's better. So make sure you plan ahead and get this done before a very hot day in the summer so everyone can have a nice, smooth, refreshing popsicle to enjoy. Here are finished mango coconut popsicles, and believe me, they are delicious. I ate one earlier. It was so hot, I had to cool off, and it was absolutely lovely. So I highly recommend these mango coconut popsicles. Please do make some and enjoy. Take care, everybody. Bye. Thanks for watching.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.